Star Cretin X3, guaranteed to fucking make you big as fuck. So I came across an interesting situation while I was training. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. You know, some of you may encounter this or hear this tip and might find it useful. When I train chest, I don't do any dumbbell work. I don't use dumbbells for flat or dumbbell inclines. I do most of my chest work on an incline machine or an incline Smith machine. I don't do any flat bench at all. I decided to start doing some dumbbell chest exercises because during my double chest week, I decided to incorporate them in that part of my program. Like I said before, I do like nine day parts, 4 parts. But anyways, this was the double chest part of the program. Yeah, don't mind me. I'm tired. I was up at 4:30, went to the gym, had a crazy ass chest workout, an hour and a half of cardio, and now I'm driving my friend to go see houses. So anyways, I'm tired. It's been a long day. I've been sitting here for a while. So I'll share this tip with you. So I got sidetracked. So anyways, now I start using dumbbells for inclines and flat bench. I have no problem pressing the weight up. I have no problem with that. However, it did take a little bit of effort to handle the 90-pound dumbbells, you know what I'm saying? Not so much to pick them up, but just to bring them up. And if you guys are familiar with the way you do them, you got to kind of kick your legs up. You got to find what works for you to get those dumbbells in that position, right? So I think here comes the tip. So if you guys choose to do dumbbell work for your chest, I suggest heavy dumbbells for your bicep exercise, curls. Make them the priority. Like for myself, example, the way I start my bicep routine off is I use an easy curl bar. I do heavy weight, and then once I've done my 8 to 12, I drop it, and then I go on to another bar, and I just finish off another set to failure. But I don't do any dumbbell bicep curls. So I started to incorporate some of those dumbbell bicep curls instead of just doing the straight bar or easy curl. Huge difference. Huge difference. So I'm not giving you my advice, but I'm just sharing with you a scenario that you might find useful. So give or good advice. I'm nowhere near qualified. I'm just sharing with you something that happened to me, and I've learned from it, and I'm sharing it with you. So hopefully you find that information useful. So to iterate, if you're doing dumbbell chest exercises, make sure you do heavy dumbbell work. Whether it be a dumbbell work and an incline is probably the best, because that gives you, they're the hardest ones to do, you know. So yeah, that's my my tip. So I'll see you guys again. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. God bless yourself. Oh, I'm gonna have to sit here for. What can you do? What can you do? Take care, guys. So I'll see you guys again. My name is Scotty Trom, and remember to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. This episode is brought to you by Six Store, guaranteed to make you big as fuck! And special thanks to Working Hands. It's the shit!